Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. So glad you could join me today, because we're talking about one of the trickiest yet most fun design challenges, the living room and dining room combo. Yep, that one big open space where you're trying to make two rooms feel like one beautiful, functional zone. Sound familiar? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some trendy and innovative layout ideas that make your space flow effortlessly. Let's start with zoning. Okay, quick question. Have you ever walked into a room and thought, where does the living area end and the dining area begin? That's where zoning comes in. You can use rugs, ceiling lights, or even your furniture arrangement to create invisible lines that define each space. Place a rug under your sofa, and maybe a pendant light over the dining table. Boom, two zones. Now, layout matters. If you've got a long rectangular space, try placing the living room near the window for natural light, and the dining area toward the back. Or if your room is more square, go for a side-by-side layout. Just keep enough space between the two areas so it doesn't feel cramped. And hey, don't be afraid to move things around and test what works best for your lifestyle. Ask yourself, do I entertain a lot, or do I need a workspace here too? Tailor the layout to you. Let's talk color and style. Now this is where the magic happens. To create harmony, keep a consistent color palette across both spaces, but don't be afraid to use accents to add personality. For example, if you've got a beige sofa, maybe pick dining chairs in a warm wood tone or add cushions that match your table runner. It all ties together so nicely. Decor tip: repeat elements. Try using similar textures, like a woven basket in the living room and a rattan pendant light in the dining area. Or repeat shapes: round mirror on one wall, round dining table. See what I mean? It subtly connects the spaces without being too matchy-matchy. And one last thing, don't forget the walls. Create a gallery wall that flows across both zones, or choose artwork that complements each other on either side. This adds that designer touch effortlessly. So, which of these layout ideas is your favorite so far? Or do you have a combo setup that works wonders in your home? Drop a comment below. I love hearing how you all style your spaces. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe if you're into practical, stylish home inspiration. New videos every week, so don't miss out. Alright, that's it for now. Until next time, happy decorating and keep creating a home you love. House with Garden Dizzy. Bye for now.